Yo, what's up guys, it's me, Cassie Freaking here. Today I will show you how to get Hyperium from Skier from Minecraft. So what you guys do, just paste the thing, and I'll put this in the link in the description. So what you guys do, just press it in, and you guys will see this is what pops up. So I will show a way to download it. So you guys will do, just go to show all, and press keep, and press the link for it. And this will pops up. So it's mainly easy. You guys need to go to security preference, and it says right here. And the logo of this, let me see, guys, go to security preference, and which is system preference. Go to that, and go to security privacy, and this is what pops up. And you guys only press open anyway, and you guys need to open the password, and you guys press open. And this will pops up again. Anyways, you guys do, you guys want to click all of them, or you guys, I think what works, you guys need to click all of them. Okay, sorry about that. But you guys need to click all of them, which it works for me. I'll try maybe 50 times, and it doesn't work for me. And it will be installed, and you can choose the gigabytes too. You guys can try it because I was confused on this thing. It says right there. Select the components you like to install. So I choose everything because it doesn't work for me. So what you guys do, when you guys done that, you can go to Minecraft. Go to Hyperium. Wait for the Minecraft loads, and this will pop up. And you see, and this will Hyperium pops up. I'll go wait for a load. There you go, it pops up here. And what you guys do is get your servers on. It would download all your things, so it will save up your servers and your texture pack. What you do, get on the server, and you will log in. And see, so you guys go to options, see what you guys do. Option. So I was confused. I hope you guys have Zoom on because it doesn't have Zoom. And it will give you the FPS boost, and it will give you all the scares mods. So I guess about that. So, and I hope you guys enjoy. And hope you guys enjoy. In fact, see you soon. Peace.